Hi everyone! Today we are going to render this soda. First, open your 3D model. Place an environment and background. Go to Material, Metal, Aluminum, and select one. Double-click and modify roughness. If you want, you can change color. Double-click and select Metallic. Go to Textures, Diffuse, choose an image, cylinder, and scale. Modify roughness, go to Environment and turn on Ground Reflections. Go to Render, select Folder, Size and Resolution. Go to Q, add a job, process Q, go to selected folder, and that's all. If you like these videos, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.